The snow's still blowing out here and the wind's pretty good. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. We are at 27 millimeters as I pan. We are at the Goderich Harbour, Goderich Pier. You can see over there in the distance, I'm zooming in to 648. Actually, that's only 156 millimeters. The snow's flying, and that is the salt mines on the side of Goderich Pier. I'm going to back out again to give you the whole view. That's at 47 millimeters. Let's go right in tight at 648. Go to some of the doors on there. Look how far in we can zoom with this. 648. Sorry, the wind's blowing. I'm probably shaky on my video here. That is 648. We'll back it off slow. And I'm going to go and get back in the car because it is chilly out here. We are on the other side of the Goderich Harbour, and we're going to zoom in here. I want to show you that the security notice, this port is currently operating at Marine Security Level 1. I'm going to zoom back out to 27 millimeters. You can see the silos across the way there. Semi going by. Once again, this is onboard mics on the FZ300. I'm going to bring my mouth a little closer so it maybe is a little clearer. And this is the big ship, the Frontenac here. So we'll zoom in on the Frontenac's name there. Geez, we don't even need the full zoom. This is at 416. See if we take it to 648. It's too far back. Look at that. Try not to shake, but it's chilly out here and the wind is blowing. So that's the Frontenac, that's the name of the ship. If we go down the side, I'm pretty sure I saw the name of the line of this ship. Where is it there? There we go. Canada Steam Lines, you can see that there. Let's back out to 27 again. The wind is blowing. The snow is blowing. And there is the Frontenac. That's 27 millimeters. This is at the Goderich Harbour. Heading into the salt mine on the other side of the public beach. Let's zoom in up to, there's another ship down there. You can't see it much because I think the FZ300 is having a hard time focusing in this snow. But you can see the outline there of the other ship. That's it there. We're at 201 millimeters there. If we zoom right in to the 648, that's it right there. We're right up on the masthead or whatever you call it, up where the cabins are there. I could just about make out the Algo Marine or something I'm seeing there. It's hard, the snow's in my eyes. We'll zoom back out again to 27. I always like the look of this patch of the road where it's kind of framed between the ship here and the trains on the other side. Alright, back to the car because I'm freezing. My lens is getting snow on it. But the FZ300 is weather resistant. There is the rudder on the back of the Algoma Marine here. You can see the snow is coming down like crazy. And if we zoom out 27 millimeters, I'm cheating, I'm shooting this from inside the car. You can probably see the edge of the car here. There's the rear view mirror. But there's the back end of the Algo Marine, and if we zoom up there you could see, hopefully the lens isn't getting too wet with water here, but the Algoma Central Corporation. You can see the big bear sign. There we are, we're at 416 millimeters. Let's see how tight we can get on that bear. 648, we're right on it. And then right beside it there is the lifeboat. Let's back off a bit. I love these big ships down at the port here. I like coming down here and seeing these. Really neat. Really neat. And across the way you can hardly even see between the two ships the big silos because we are having a little bit of a snow squall here.